The battle is on of the gaming coins. GMT versus Galagames. We're trading it on the Bybit Exchange. Now the question is it just a game, or can you make money out of trading these gaming coins? Well, we started the test, and let's see what's been happening. Are they profit yet, or are they not? But first, let's have a look at Bybit. The Bybit Exchange has 236 coins that can be traded and has 303 different pairs. That's a wide range of different cryptocurrencies we can trade. Bybit is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange established in 2018 and registered in 2018. We're currently in 2022. 4 years and it made a name for itself. Its trust score on CoinGecko is a 10 out of 10. I'm happy with Bybit. I'm trading these two coins on them. If you want to look at Bybit, link will be down in the description. But let's have a look at our gaming coins. I've ranked just the gaming coins on CoinGecko, and we can see Galagames and GMT is close to each other. The last 24-hour trading volume, $125 million and $150 million. Their current market caps, $386 million for GMT and $377 million for Galagames. Starting to trade these coins, they're pretty much equal, very close to each other. So this seems to be a good battle coming. Looking at Galagames, currently a price of one Galagame is about 5 cents. And there's about 50 billion coins in max supply. So let's look at Galagames and see what is currently been happening with the Galagames. Opening Galagames site, we can see my buy and sell orders is in place and been running. No complaints so far. We're building towards gaining as much as possible Gala and GMT tokens, and every time we're gonna do an update, we'll look at the dollar value of these coins and see which one has performed and which one not. We're buying the same amount and we're selling exactly the same amount to make it as fair as possible. Looking at our GMT coin or Stepn, currently on 64 cents a coin, but there's only 6 billion. So the max supply is less, but it still doesn't matter. We're trading it and we're on different blockchains as well. But which one is going to come out ahead? Which is one is going to be the interesting one? Looking at GMT, my sell orders is in place, but my buy limit order is missing. That means we need to update our GMT. If we go to trading view, where all my lines and everything is in place, we can see we dropped below my latest entry, which was the yellow line. So let's update GMT while we're busy. Gonna update it. Getting my Excel sheet ready. If you want to learn the strategy I'm trading, there will be an email address down in the description. Mail me, ask the question, and I'll tell you more about this strategy. I'm not using any TA analysis. It's just a calculations been done prior and easy. So this is going to become our next sell limit order, which is on 0.7009. This yellow line is our latest entry, but we're going to add our next buy limit order, which will be on 6517. We'll clear that to green. So our trading view chart is updated and ready. Looking at Galagames, we can see trading between the current markets. So we'll just update our alert as well. Our sell limit alert is going to move to 7000. And our buy limit alert, we're going to move to 6517. 6517. So our alert is in place. I did something wrong. As we can see, my alert can be in place, but the market is currently below our latest entry. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna do a market buy. Putting a market buy in, the same amount I'm trading for each coin every time. The market buy is in, meaning this is my latest entry. Here we go. This is going to be our latest entry. So we're just going to color it. So we've colored it. And this is going to be our next take profit. So we'll update that to, I'm taking 5% profit on every trade. 842. That's going to be our next take profit. Need to add this line. That's going to be our next buy limit order on the buy limit orders. Let me update my alerts. Luckily, the way I'm trading, I can see when I made a mistake or when I need to change something. And TradingView with the alerts makes a huge difference, and it makes it so easy. So we're just putting our GMT in place. So GMT is in place on TradingView. All we need to do now is put in our buy limit order for GMT as well. Our buy limit order is going to be on 0.6358 max and buy GMT. So buy order is in place. Galagames has its buy orders and sell orders. Everything is exactly where we want them, and we're building towards it. So now the question is, who do you think is going to give us the most profit? Galagames or GMT? Leave me your answer down below in the comments and let me know, what do you think? Which one is gonna outperform which one? Which one will bring us the most dollar value? And which one is gonna be the most volatile? The more volatile one of these coins are, the more profits we can make. And if you have thoughts or concerns, leave it as well. But remember, smash that like and subscribe button so we can keep on growing this community. And the main thing we have to do is to enjoy the extreme crypto gains. Have a good one.